how to change your TikTok region or location. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to change your TikTok region or your location. So let's begin. Since TikTok has removed the region or location option or setting on the TikTok app, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open TikTok, click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, scroll down under the Content and Activity. So on the Content and Activity section, you may be able to see Content Preferences. So click on Content Preferences, and right here, what I would like you to do is to add a language that your country or region has. So you may click on Add Language right here, and then choose the language that you want. So for example, you are from the Korea, you may click on the Hangul right here. If you are from Bahasa Indonesia, you may click on Bahasa Indonesia right here. If you are a Filipino, you may choose Cebuano right here, and many other language right here. So, for example, I will choose Filipino or Tagalog. Click on done once you're done. And then once you go back to your For You page, there will be um, videos or TikTok videos that will be shown in Filipino or from Espanol or from English. So that's it. That's how you can change your TikTok region or location. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.